So, this is the road, is it? And that's how I'm supposed to the sidewalk. Or it's like a river. I'm going to see. So see it here? Nothing can pass, 7 miles. View traffic down there, sir. Landslide down there, sir. See it there?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. First of all, let me say condolences to the Leachman family. And for those of you who's not aware or didn't hear of it, there was a landslide in a section of Jamaica this morning. Shooter ZELLE, St. Andrew to be exact. Now, in a video making the rounds on social media, which I will not show out of respect for the family, the sister of Romeo Leachman was seen wailing in remorse after the house that her brother and her niece occupied was swept away in the landslide. Now, while identifying her brother's body, the sister explained that she was outside fetching water when the house was swept away. People, this is sad. Now, the niece is actually still missing and is presumed dead. Now, viewers, we will be following this story and definitely bringing the update to you as soon as we get more information. Please leave a comment down in the comment section if you have any more info on this issue. Now, on another topic, viewers, more show on that brother here with him thief himself. How the man just take the people in car like a theme. Now, it is alleged that this happened in a section of Montego Bay. People, watch out them thief and wicked. Wanna see how them wicked and thief? Now people work hard for them things, for them vehicle. Vehicle not cheap at Jamaica. And them just feel entitled enough that them supposed to come and take your vehicle where you work hard for. Wanna see that? Talk me down in the comment section, people. And the good thing about it is this. Camera did there for capture him. So I just hope say the police capture him. Wanna get it? Real. Yeah. Him definitely need to get catch because how much more care him thief like this and leave people crying. Eh? Real talk, viewers. Talk me down in the comment section on this topic as well. Let me see your views, your opinions, and as long as your comment makes sense, then I'll definitely respond. Right? Now make we roll over to our next topic. Now for all who probably follow Buju on IG, you know what I realized that Buju made a statement the other day about the whole mask wearing thing. Now because of this statement that Buju made, a whole lot of people is backlashing the Gargamel. And I said, hey brother, you have a platform where your platform is huge, but yet still you influence the people the wrong way. Now Buju came under fire after he made that statement. I'm going to make you take a listen to what Buju had to say.
Well, someone said, I ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright, and everything can't alright. Who want done with this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead, I go dead, and who not go dead, just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, why you haven't found the cure for cancer? You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the f***. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man, no mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January, we're about to f*** people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now. They taught you to love Michael Jackson. Then they taught you to hate Michael Jackson. They taught you to love Bill Cosby. Then they taught you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It's like it move and follow in certain individuals wherever they go. My people, you better wake up because you go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from on selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach the precipice. My love for you supersede all that this world has to offer. I will not join the other entertainers and trick you. I will not lead you down a path of destruction. I've always been sincere and true to you, my people. A lot of people are benefiting by touting and pushing my people down a path that is totally destructive. Here in Jamaica, here in America, I don't care. My life is not mine. It has never been. So hear me, my people. While I'm here with you, stand up, you know.
Now that right there is the statement Buju Banton made, which got a lot of persons in them feelings and go against what Buju say. And I say Buju Banton should not be using his platform to influence weak-minded people to not take proper precautions to protect themselves against whatever they do. If something they do, is what people basically saying. Now, you have the other one them who say, yeah, we agree with Buju 100%. And then some people crawl out in the comment section of the video and I say, but wait there. Now you see one against mask wearing, but mask depend on your website for sale. People, me nah getting it, me done with this. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear what I have to say about this one. Zine, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, why are we upon? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Here, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.